Looking for a place to treat your moms this Mother's Day? Kazuko Ramen Ba is having a Mother's Day promo which is 3 plus 1 free ramen of your choice. Super sulit, diba? I'm sure your moms will feel so happy and loved if you treat her a hot bowl of delicious and authentic Japanese ramen from Kazuko Ramen Ba. The open bar kitchen, ambience, location, high quality food makes this place the perfect one to celebrate this special occasion. I was so happy kasi nakapag-ramen date kami ni Hobby. I highly recommend this Kuro Ramen. This is their bestseller. Broth pa lang, heaven na. I think the black garlic made it taste very, very good. The noodles and the tamago were perfectly cooked, and I like that the pork was thinly sliced and very tender. If your mom likes the creamy, heavy type of ramen, make her try the Tantan Men. Personally, mas gusto ko yung light broth, but this is one of the best Tantan Men ramens I've ever tried. Hindi umay yung pagka-creamy, and this is really spicy. Next favorite ko is this tonkotsu shoyu. Slightly similar siya dun sa Kuro Ramen. The Kuro Ramen is just slightly sweet. If you prefer chicken broth, they also have tori paitan. Ang sarap ng chicken broth nito. Light lang din and so comforting. Ramen talaga is really one of my most favorite Japanese foods. If parehas kami ng moms nyo, I'm sure she will be so happy if isusurprise nyo siya ng ramen date dito sa Kazuko Ramen Ba. Hubby and I really had a good time. This is the most sulit promo I know, kaya save this video na for your Mother's Day to-do list.